Okay, now let's practice R sounds in sentences. These sentences are filled with R's. Keep the R sounds strong. Don't forget to bring your mouth forward and pull your tongue back. Say these sentences with me. Here we go. The story he read on the radio was incorrect. Her career in the law firm is permanent. Richard and Brooke took a ride in their brand new Range Rover truck. Everyone will respect the royal family when they arrive at the airport. Be sure to close the word air. It's not airport, it's air. Airport. Like that with a strong R sound. The trip to the Rocky Mountains will be rescheduled on Friday. Very